I wanna show you how to add the corner to the video in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you need to choose your rectangle tool. Sometimes it doesn't appear, so you just need to go to your working space, find the pen icon tool, double click on it, and the menu bar will appear. Then select the area where you wanna appear the corner, uncheck the fill, and check the stroke. Choose the color that you wanna apply to your corner, and then, increasing or decreasing, you can define the size of your corner. The problem is, if you move the corner, it is not attached to your video. To solve this case, just select the frames, right click of the mouse and choose Nest. As the result, the corner is also attached to the video. Let's see what is going to happen. Guys, help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.